lifting the curtain on what could become the most extravagant recreational vehicle ever imagined. Bugatti's futuristic 2027 motorhome completely changes the meaning of luxury travel. Stretching an astonishing 100 feet in length and standing 15 feet tall, this rolling masterpiece combines the breathtaking design philosophy of the Bugatti Chiron with the comfort of a private mansion and the innovation of a futuristic smart home. Designed for ultra-wealthy collectors who demand something beyond yachts and private jets, this incredible machine carries a price tag nearly 3 times higher than a Bugatti Chiron, placing it among the most expensive luxury vehicles ever conceived. From the first glance, its aerodynamic body lines, illuminated horseshoe grille, active LED lighting signature, and carbon fiber exterior panels create a presence unlike anything seen on the road. Every curve has been sculpted not only for beauty, but also for efficiency, giving this giant motor home a surprisingly sleek appearance despite its massive proportions. Stepping inside reveals an environment that feels closer to a 7-star penthouse than a traditional RV. The cabin features handcrafted leather, rare wood veneers, brushed titanium accents, and intelligent ambient lighting that automatically adapts to the time of day. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic smart glass windows can change from transparent to completely private with a simple voice command. The interior spans multiple sections, including a luxurious lounge area, executive office, gourmet kitchen, spa bathroom, master suite, entertainment room, and a private observation deck that extends outward when parked. The living room features reclining zero-gravity seats wrapped in semi-aniline leather, accompanied by a 100-inch transparent OLED display that emerges from the floor when needed. Artificial intelligence learns the preferences of its owner and automatically adjusts temperature, lighting, music, and even scent diffusion throughout the cabin. The master bedroom rivals those found in premium hotels. A king-sized floating bed equipped with adaptive comfort technology automatically adjusts firmness according to sleeping positions. Surrounding the room are hidden storage compartments, customizable mood lighting, and panoramic ceiling panels capable of displaying realistic night skies. Adjacent to the suite lies an ultra-modern bathroom featuring heated marble floors, touch-sensitive mirrors, rainfall showers, and self-sanitizing surfaces. Even the towels are warmed automatically through climate-controlled compartments, demonstrating the obsessive attention to detail that Bugatti has become famous for. Perhaps the most remarkable feature of the 2027 Bugatti motorhome is its expandable architecture. Once parked, hidden sections extend outward, increasing interior living space dramatically. Side terraces emerge electronically, creating open-air lounges complete with glass railings and integrated lighting. A rooftop deck rises hydraulically, providing an elevated viewing platform furnished with premium seating, a retractable canopy, and an outdoor entertainment system. Owners can enjoy sunset dinners above the landscape while surrounded by luxury that few people can imagine. Powering this extraordinary creation is a revolutionary hybrid electric system derived from Bugatti's hypercar engineering. The massive powertrain combines a quad-turbocharged 16-cylinder engine with multiple electric motors, generating over 2,500 horsepower. Despite its enormous dimensions, advanced torque vectoring and all-wheel drive technology provide exceptional stability and smooth acceleration. Adaptive air suspension continuously scans the road ahead and adjusts ride height in milliseconds, allowing the motorhome to glide with limousine-like refinement. Active aerodynamics optimize airflow while improving efficiency and stability at highway speeds. Noise insulation technology creates near-silent travel, ensuring passengers experience complete serenity inside. Technology reaches another level with a fully integrated AI operating system. Voice commands control virtually everything, including lighting, security, entertainment, kitchen appliances, and climate settings. A holographic assistant projects from the center console and interacts naturally with passengers. High-speed satellite internet guarantees uninterrupted connectivity anywhere in the world. Multiple transparent OLED displays disappear into walls when not in use, preserving the elegant design language. Rear passengers enjoy immersive entertainment through personalized screens, augmented reality windows, and a 64-speaker surround sound system developed exclusively for Bugatti. Even the dining area includes smart tables capable of wireless charging and interactive surfaces. Safety is equally impressive. The 2027 Bugatti Motorhome features Level 4 autonomous driving capability, allowing the vehicle to handle most driving situations independently. Hundreds of sensors, LiDAR systems, high-resolution cameras, and radar units constantly monitor the surroundings. Emergency collision avoidance, intelligent lane management, adaptive cruise control, and predictive braking systems work seamlessly together to ensure maximum protection. Night vision cameras detect animals and obstacles long before they become visible to the human eye. The AI continuously learns driving patterns and road conditions, creating one of the safest luxury vehicles ever engineered. Storage capacity exceeds expectations, featuring hidden garages capable of transporting exotic cars, motorcycles, or recreational equipment. Automated loading platforms simplify access, while integrated robotic systems organize luggage and supplies. A dedicated wine cellar maintains precise temperatures for rare collections. The gourmet kitchen includes robotic cooking assistants, premium appliances, and refrigeration systems capable of preserving fresh ingredients for extended journeys. Solar roof panels and advanced battery storage provide sustainable energy support, allowing off-grid living without sacrificing luxury. What truly separates this 2027 Bugatti Motorhome from anything else is the feeling it delivers. Every inch represents exclusivity, craftsmanship, and futuristic innovation. It transforms travel into an experience reserved for only the most privileged individuals on Earth. Combining the prestige of Bugatti with technologies decades ahead of their time, this 100-foot masterpiece proves that luxury mobility has no limits. More than just a motorhome, it stands as a symbol of engineering excellence and ultimate freedom, bringing together the comfort of a mansion, the performance DNA of a hypercar, and the sophistication of a private jet into one unforgettable creation.